In this chapter, I shall tell you about applying fonts, background colors, and borders. This worksheet has numbers formatted the way we want. Let's go into the lower right corner of the Excel screen. And you see, we have these three view buttons. Click the middle one here. And this goes to page layout view. And we can see the actual sheet of paper. So let's begin formatting the document. We have the title Travel Expenses. Let's select across the first row until we get to column F. And up here. And we are in the Home tab. And in the Fonts section, click the background color button. And you see there's a little down arrow there. Click the down arrow. Let's just pick a color from here. And I will choose this dark green over here. Over here, we have a font color button. Click that down arrow. Select white color. I am going to make it bold. Let's look at the months. So, let's drag across the months and our totals column. And let's go back up here to the fill color. Go down here where it says more colors. And now you have this color hexagon. And I will choose this green over here. Then click OK. Now we have the color. Now, let's apply a font color. We go up here to the font color button and choose white. We also want to put a border on the top. So let's select the top. Go up here into the alignment section and click merge and center. So, it's now one big cell. Now for borders, in the font area click this down arrow. And we have a bunch of options. Let's choose a thick box border. Now you can see, it has a thick black border. Next, I shall tell you about using conditional formatting. Conditional formatting lets you format numbers and dates according to their value. We want to select all of these numbers. Click the first number and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Send. And that will select to the end. So, let's give it a range name. Put your mouse pointer up here in name box and click. And let's call it data. Then press enter. And now, if you click somewhere to deselect, go up here, click the down arrow. Choose data and immediately select those numbers again. I will just scroll to the top. Now, if you are on the Home tab, go over here to the Style section. And this is where you can find conditional formatting. Click that. And there are three kinds of automatic ways of doing it: data bars, color scales, and icon sets. If you choose data bars, you have couple of choices of gradient fills and solid fills. Go over here to color scales. This will give you, instead of one color of varying lights, these will give you different colors. Let's also go to icon sets. And here you have all these icons. Now sometimes that is good, but other times you might end up with something hideous like this. So, click the conditional formatting button. And down over here, choose Clear Rules. I am going to choose here is Clear Rules from entire sheet. So, that wipes out all the conditional formatting. Next, I shall tell you about adding pictures and shapes. Let's start by inserting a picture. So click the Insert tab and choose Picture. Select this picture and double-click. It gets inserted. And you see, we have these handles around the corners and around the sides. Put your mouse pointer on one of those handles, so you get a two-headed arrow. And click and drag in towards the center. Okay, that looks like a good size, and just deselect it for a second. You notice that we have a white border around the picture. We can make that white background transparent. Select the picture. Click on Format tab. And up here, in the Picture Tools section, click Color. And then down at the bottom, choose Set Transparent Color. The mouse pointer becomes a little pencil, and click that pencil on the white background of the picture. And now you can see the grid lines and shading behind it. Go up to Color. And if you want, you can change the tonal color. Let's go to Artistic Effects. And there is all sorts of different looking effects. Now let's insert some clip art. Go up to the Insert menu. Choose Clip Art. And you can click Go. And it will find everything. Click that. And it just gets inserted onto the worksheet. And also put your mouse pointer on one of those corner handles and drag and make it small. Well, this is great.